Getting good quality once is important. Getting the same quality every time is even more important. For global buyers, inconsistent packaging quality can lead to production delays, customer complaints, and unexpected costs. That is why consistency is a key focus at HAPLAST Group, not only for one shipment, but throughout long-term cooperation. Every production batch follows defined quality control procedures, with critical specifications checked throughout the manufacturing process. Inspection records and batch quality reports help ensure that products remain aligned with approved requirements from order to order. Our team continues to support customers after delivery, providing updates, quality documentation, and long-term service throughout the partnership. Our production capacity across 3 manufacturing plants reaches up to 5,000 tons per month, ensuring stable supply, consistent quality, and large-scale global delivery capability. Certified by internationally recognized standards and trusted by leading global brands across retail, food, and industrial packaging sectors. Let's build your customized packaging solution together. Contact us today.